hop back into the main room, but I can like sort of live-ish.
It will be live, however, you will be ready to go in. It will be your actual performance time.
Okay, excellent. Then I probably need to leave this room or make them stop playing. That's what I'm
Or you could just mute yourself on your end and it can be as loud as it can. You want it to be in your bedroom.
That's what we have to do here. Yeah, we have to use Louise's box right here. Stop. So like the things didn't work, the drivers didn't work?
Real quick, I'm going to just do a quick testing with you.
I really need to get who's got an iPhone that's C cord? You know, the bigger C cord. Is that the one you plug into my phone? Oh, no, I don't have that one. No, you got that special. No, I don't have that one. All right, I'm getting ready to check something, you guys. All right.
Alright, Dwayne, I'm back in all yours. I just want to start off by saying thank you. This means everything to Shaka.
Yes.
And let's see, so just want to test out the
Make
audio.
sure I don't go this way.
As far as audio, I can totally hear you.
You can?
Yeah, I can. It's a little low. Maybe
What about,
we can turn it up. Let me check on my end. Are you gonna go?
Hey, you guys, I'm gonna have her check us right quick. Okay. Somebody want to get on the drums just so I can see if it's gonna work at all. Otherwise, I'm going to just straight guitar. What is there? You got the snare, Louise? See, it's back there on the floor. Do you get that at all?
Yeah, that was awesome.
You know what else?
The phone or the camera down a little bit.
Oh, maybe it's probably better on a little cheap stand. Yeah, try. I thought it needed to be higher. You know? Probably got a little just right. No? That's good. She said that's pretty good.
It looks like you're looking down on us, but I can still see your background. Are you comfortable with looking down on me?
I'm comfortable looking down. I'll be seeing you. Kind of whoever's on my Shaka gonna be in the screen then?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. All right. So when we play, let us know if it's good. If it's a good balance for you, okay? Hey, my man, you gotta want to play. Come on, man. You know how to cut. Stop. Hey, stop. I just want to make sure the line is ready. But yeah, let's run that. I want to hear that drum beat. Was that clear?
Yeah, that was good balance on my end. Everything was clear.
Good. Let me hear that. So you have to hit it again so it starts from the beginning. Right here. So, I mean, he can actually, in that angle right there, I think you should see some stuff in the back.
That's all.
The what?
That's all. The sound's great, and I can see everyone back there and you. It's dope on my end.
Okay, right. So I can run some things, but I should mute my phone, right?
Yes, exactly. But before you do that,
Yeah.
let me just briefly walk through your portion.
You guys gotta listen to this one time.
Just so you're comfortable, so Van Jones is going to introduce you.
Yeah.
And then after that, you'll jump into the performance. It's about a 5-minute window. Right after the performance will be a brief conversation with you, Van, and Shaka.
Okay.
And that's the segment, and you're welcome to stay if you want to afterwards, but I know you're rehearsing, so.
No, I mean,
yeah.
I know how they celebrate. I would like to do that.
Oh, I love it, I love it. Well then, yes, you can you're on the phone, right?
I'm on the phone, yeah.
Okay, I'm not
And this mic is
exactly
not on.
sure where it appears on your
What?
phone, but there is a leave room option.
Okay.
And if you hit that option, it'll put you back in the main room.
It says leave right to the right, right?
Yep, so when we're done, you can
Oh,
press
so that's what it
leave,
looks like.
and then at
Okay.
that point, you'll mute yourself. And you can still do whatever you want to do, and then just wait for Van to introduce you.
Okay, so I hit the leave button, right? And so the leave button won't take me completely out, or?
No, it shouldn't. It should just take you out of this room. If for some reason it takes you out completely, just walk back in.
Well, let me try something. Let me try something, because I just saw a mute button, so let me do that. You tell me if you cannot do it. Hello, hello, hello? Can't hear me? You couldn't hear me, right?
Nope, I couldn't hear you
Okay,
at all.
so that's what I can do right there, right?
Yep, absolutely.
I don't have to push the leave button.
Well, I'm gonna be prepping other people in here, so if you're fine with, you know.
Yeah, I should still be able to see what's popping so that I can pay attention.
But we still need to
Mute it.
not mute it. I need to make sure that you get back to the main room, so we probably need to test that leave button anyway.
Okay.
Just to make sure that you're able to join the main room.
All right, so I'm leaving now.
Okay.
It says leave break room. Breakout
Yes,
room.
that's it. Perfect. Then you're gonna go to the main room, and you can just mute yourself at that point.
Oh, so do I do that now or later?
You can do it now.
Spirits, for no other reason than because you touched us all in such a special way. And so since you brought up the alcohol,
There it is.
the only reason I'm drinking Class A alcohol is because
So let's work out, so we can rehearse for it. This is clean out. Is there any way that I can tap in and what we do?
the father that he is and the co-parent that he is.
How come we had that on the
So the only thing you do
whether
is,
we're parents or not,
you get a camera and somebody come and get the action on the people on it, because
and
that's
save whose life.
undeniable.
Because all of us are learning
They get a phone
how
and zoom on
to
the
nurture
Zoom, and then us at the same time
a
with the
human
cover?
spirit as a
You
result
have to
of
capture
watching.
this.
Yeah, just capture
So
the
cheers to you,
the
brother. I
news of it
absolutely
happening.
love
Yeah,
it.
like behind the scene,
I'm
and you know,
so
like
appreciative
movie.
of being in my life, being a part of my life. I'm sure I'm because of it. My wife is better because of it. My family is better because of it. Because you've imprinted on me. Cheers.
I'm from that one over there.
Oh,
That right there.
Oh, yours.
I don't like it. Right, maybe that's my high.